So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to give you three methods that you can use to delete the files that's making your computer slow. Now, in order to do it, just simply press Windows plus R key on your keyboard, and here you need to, in this run prompt, you need to search for prefetch. You can see the right spelling right there. Now just simply hit enter, hit continue. Now you can delete all these files. These all are temporary files. Again, come back, press Windows plus R key again, and here you need to search for temp. Now click all the files, delete all the files from here as well, and escape if any warning occurs. Now again press and Windows plus R key and write percent temp percent right there and click enter, and now delete all these files as well. These all are temporary files, and skip if any permission occurs. And by this method you can easily delete all the temporary files on your system just by one click that makes your computer slow. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.